What's up, bosses? Welcome to episode number 29, where I share actionable micro lessons that you can use in your business to help you grow. In today's episode, I want to share with you one simple strategy that I use in my business to create more sales from social media. So that would be Facebook and Instagram. You probably could even do this on YouTube as well. But we're going to focus on Instagram and Facebook, specifically really Facebook. But first, before we jump into today's lesson, I want to encourage you, if you are new here, click on that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video each and every week. So here's the thing. When it comes to social media, the very first thing that you absolutely must do is you got to start posting good quality content. And you can post them with pictures, you can post them with videos, you could be doing Facebook Lives, you could even be using text and no images with no videos. Because some of my text messages, just plain text, no images, they actually produce results too, because I make sure that they're of quality. Sometimes it's educational quality, or sometimes I'm just trying to make my audience laugh. So whatever form of social media content that you create for your followers, make sure that it moves them. You're sharing stories. You're sharing who you are. I know for a fact that coming up with social media content can be a struggle for most people. I know, I've been there. But I kind of created a little strategy inside of my group coaching program called the Profitable Marketer Academy, where I share with you fill in the blank post that you can start posting on social media to increase your engagement. So if you're struggling with coming up with content, stick around to the end because I've got something really, really good for you. So let's go ahead and transition over to my computer, and I am going to show you exactly what I do when I post good quality posts to make more sales inside of my business. So let's go over there right now.
Okay, so if you post something on Facebook and even on Instagram and you give people a call to action, me personally, I absolutely love Facebook way more than Instagram because the engagement for me is way higher. As far as likes and comments and people actually interacting and requesting more information, I find that Facebook is just easier to produce those kind of results, at least in my opinion. And so if you're posting something with a call to action, so for example, this is a post that I posted where I said almost $13,000 and it's the middle of the month. Or I should say it's not even the middle of the month yet. I have 4 different types of income streams in my business that you can easily create inside of your business, regardless of any niche that you're in. Want to know what they are? Show me your favorite emoji and I'll send them to you for free. And you can see here 76 comments of people saying, show me, yes, I want to see it. And so now I actually have 76 people to reach out to so that I can have conversations with and close them into whatever it is that I want to close them into. So, if you think about all the posts that you're posting right now and all the comments, like for example, this one has 40 likes, this one has 76 comments. So between the likes and the comments, if you combine that, let's look at another one here. We'll tell you this one, for example. This one has 84 likes and 24 comments. So if you combine that, you have more than enough people to speak to in a single day. Okay, so, this excuse about I have nobody to talk to in my business, that's a lie. You have people that are interacting with your post, whether they're liking it or whether they're commenting on it. Those are the people that you should be starting conversations with. Those are the people that you should be asking questions. Those are the people that you should be, trying to, just dig into finding out what their problems are and seeing if you can help them. And then, offering them a solution. And what is that solution? That solution is whatever it is that you have to offer, whatever it is that you're selling. Okay, offer that to them if you find a problem, if you find a need.
So do you see how easy that was? now you have an action plan to go out there and not only produce really good quality content that's going to increase your engagement, but now you have an action plan that you can start implementing in your business that will increase your sales. So if you want to see how you can get access to my daily fill in the blank post that my members are absolutely loving inside of the Profitable Marketer Academy, then go ahead and click that link right below this video. Go check it out. I know that you're going to love it, and I'll see you over there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.